after the car somewhere please stop on the left side of the road. There's a junction, move forward a little bit because it's not convenient. Still because there's a junction. So move forward, don't worry about the yes, that's better. Switch off the engine please. Okay. Tell me, how do you feel?
The first double roundabout was the most where I worried. Did I take the wrong turn?
It doesn't matter. If you take the wrong exit, is not a reason for failing a test or
Really?
not failing. So it's just a mistake. So we not mark for you this one. You just missed the information. Anyway, you did well with the double mini roundabout.
Okay.
How did you feel with the whole test?
I feel, generally speaking, good.
Yeah?
And I was slightly worried when I have approached some roundabouts, especially on my right side if there's a car.
I will remind you everything. Don't worry. How
Yeah.
did you feel on the test?
But
Was it-
very good.
Very good.
Yeah,
But the result is not good.
I know.
Okay, no problem. We need to improve it, so that's why it's very important
Yeah.
to know what went wrong. Okay. Don't get me wrong, but that's the way why we're doing a mock test.
Yeah.
Because anyway, we wouldn't know what's the problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think you've been a little bit nervous. Okay, go through everything, so it's good to know. I made a note for myself, so I give it to you, and you can revising at home because I made the notes for myself.
Yeah.
Your original official test report would be absolutely the same, just in a green paper.
I see.
So it's totally the same, and I put some explanation on the paper. Okay, so go step by step. Gears, you didn't select the proper gears sometimes. When we came back at the end, you could go in the second gear and the car was struggling in the third gear, so you could back change in the second gear. That wasn't the first time, that was the second time. That's why you get 2 minors, okay? You get 1 minus for the handbrake, where you should use the handbrake, but you haven't used it. Unfortunately, you have 2 serious for using the handbrake. Okay. One of them, when we did a turning in the road, the reversing exercise was very good. But once you stopped, then you rolled forward the car, where you should use the handbrake. So it's a fail.
You mean the 3-point turn?
Yes,
I see,
because you
I see.
didn't use the handbrake, and
I see.
actually you didn't keep the car controlled. Okay, that's why you get 1 serious. And also, on the traffic line, you use the handbrake before the car was stationary. So you use the handbrake, and what's wrong? The car behind you, they didn't see you actually stopping because you used the handbrake before the car was stationary. Okay. Reversing right, it wasn't bad, but wasn't good as well. Generally speaking, that was quite good. Only one serious problem, you didn't look constantly on the back windows. You've been focusing in the right mirror. Your observation was good, but when you're reversing, you're supposed to be look out of the back windows and glancing into the mirror.
I see.
You will see clearly in the video clip, you've been
Yeah.
just focusing to the
Yeah,
right mirror,
because I
and you
was in
didn't look
confidence,
back.
yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's very important. And also, you will get soon what went wrong at that point as well. Turning in the road, it wasn't bad, so that was quite good. You stole the car once, you get 1 minus, and also you get 1 minus because you gave extra gas afterwards. I'm not talking about the handbrake, because for the handbrake you already got your problem. Mirror works is not too bad. You get a couple of mirrors, missing mirrors, okay, and appropriate signal. Your signaling, we need to work on it. It's not very well timed. And once, when we asked you to pull over and then move off when it's safe to do so, you forgotten to cancel your left indicator, and rather than
I see.
you indicated to the left when you moved off to the right, and the
see.
car was approaching. So it's a dangerous fault because you misled the others, because you've been indicating to the left and then moved to the right. So,
I see.
okay,
I see.
it's a problem. Don't worry. Other road user, when I say to the Mini on the right hand side, when we stopped at the pedestrian crossing, you could get the car out, because we are a team, we wouldn't make a big difference because we didn't move forward actually. So you can get the car away. That's how you get just a minus, because it's, you have a priority, but we are a team on the road, so you need to look after the other. Driving an appropriate speed, you get 2 minors because you approach too fast, and once to the pedestrian crossing you approach too fast, so you should slower rather than giving a gas, okay? And you get 1 dangerous for the cyclist. I was very happy with the cyclist, not because you haven't done properly, because it's a challenge. You wait behind the cyclist, which was good because that was a bend.
Yeah.
But afterwards, we had a lovely straight road, and you hesitating, you didn't overtake it, and then you realized I should gone, and then we went to the bend, and then you overtake the cyclist in the bend.
Ah, I see.
Okay, so that was a clear hesitation, and we have a long queue behind us because you didn't go. Okay. When you finished reversing in the right corner and ask you please move forward, and the end of the road turn right. That wasn't a one-way road, that was a normal road, and you turn right from the wrong lane.
Oh.
You should come back to the left lane and turn right from your lane, so you turn right in an oncoming lane, which is a dangerous, that's why you get a serious fault for this. Position normal, okay, you get 1 for didn't keep clearly in your lane, but the problem was when we turn after the petrol station to the left, the first left turn, you touch the curb.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't notice. Okay. Yeah.
So you touch the curb, it's a serious fault. Pedestrian crossing afterwards, we went through, you look through to the right, the right side was a little bit covered, but you didn't look sharply back. The orderly woman was approaching 2 meters. She wasn't look up, she was looking down something on her mobile. You should stop for her because she was 2 meters from the crossing, so she was we were walking towards the cross, so you missed her. Anyway, this is your result, so it's not about pass and failing. You know, on the test you can do 15 minors, 16 is too much, and no serious, no dangerous fault allowed. So I'm not going to count it because it's pointless, but I think it's quite useful to look through over it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you agree, or have you got anything against this?
I think I agree. I can remember, most of the
Nice.
cases. Yeah.
Thank you.